Whether you're using an app or displaying content from a laptop, the floating tool allows you to save and record your session or annotate over anything shown on screen. To start using the floating tool, tap and hold anywhere on the screen with 2 fingers until it appears. You can also select the floating tool from the sidebar. Drag to place it anywhere on the screen. From here, you can access tools such as the pen, highlighter, eraser, and laser pointer. There's a toolbox with a timer, calculator, and other classroom tools. You can also take screenshots or record the screen. When you're done, tap the center of the floating tool to hide it and remove all annotations.